Good morning all of you. Today I am going to talk on topic shipboard operations, in which I will tell you in detail about shipboard organization. A ship is like an organization in which all principles of management are followed so that a ship delivers the cargo safely and protects the environment from any damage. To function efficiently and for division of labor, the ship is divided into three main categories: deck department, engine department, and catering or steward department. The deck departments navigate the ship, do cargo work, maintenance of hull and machinery. Engine department maintain and control the machinery and also carry out all repairs of the various equipment. Catering department or steward department takes care of catering needs of the complement. Most important person on board is master. He is also called captain. He is overall in charge of all the three departments. Master is the commander of the ship. Master is the overall in charge of all the three departments. He is also can be called as the commander of the ship. He is responsible for the safe and smooth operation of the ship. He is also the representative of owner on board. So he communicates on behalf of owner with the port authority, with the third party and various other organizations. What are the duties of master? Master has to send messages to various organization on behalf of the ship. He also receives all the communication coming from outside and distribute it to the various departments. First, deck department. Let's go into details of various departments. Deck department. Deck department navigate the ship and they look after cargo work. They also do maintenance of hull, maintenance of cargo, maintenance of accommodation, and also maintenance of life-saving appliances and firefighting appliances. A typical deck organization will be chief officer is the head of the organization. After chief officer is second officer. After second officer is third officer. After third officer is deck cadet. Deck cadet is also called apprentice officer. And we have got ratings. Rating consists of bosun, AB, OS and trainee OS. The chief officer. The chief officer is the head of the deck department. He reports directly to the master. Various duties of chief officer on board are: first is as the head of the deck department. He carries out administrative duties like scheduling, supervising and organizing various activities of the deck. He also compiles reports, inventories and looks after the supplies on deck department. As a head of the deck department, he is also second in command after master. He is also responsible for safety and security of the ship. He is also welfare officer on board. And some of the additional duty includes maintenance of deck, maintenance of accommodation, as well as maintenance of life-saving and firefighting appliances. He also trains the crew on board on safety, operation of various equipments and various contingencies on board. The next licensed officer after chief officer is the second officer. He is junior to chief officer and senior to the third officer. He is the in charge of navigation. He carries out bridge watch 12 to 4, that is morning 1200 hours to 1600 hours at noon, and 0000 hours to 0400 hours at night. At port, he does cargo watch from 12 to 6. That means 1200 to 1800 in the day and 0000 to 0600 hours at night. His second officer is also responsible for maintaining charts and all navigational equipment on board. Second officer is also the medical officer on board. He looks after the initial treatment of various persons or crew on board under the supervision of the master. And he maintains hospital on board. In tanker which carries oil cargo, second officer assists chief officer in tank cleaning. The next licensed officer on board is third officer. Third officer is the junior most licensed officer on board. At sea, he keeps bridge watch 8 to 12. That means daytime 0800 hours to 1200 hours and evening time 2000 hours to 2400 hours under the guidance of the master. He is also safety officer on board and he is responsible for maintenance of life-saving appliances and firefighting appliances under the guidance of the chief officer. The next is deck cadet. Deck cadet is also called apprentice officer. He is normally a nautical school graduate and he has come on board to do 1 year mandatory on-board training. Deck cadet executes various tasks of an officer on watch under the supervision of senior officer. Next is deck department is bosun. Bosun is in charge of unlicensed deck crew. He looks after maintenance of the ship under the orders of the chief officer and he also assists chief officer and duty officers as required. Next, the able seaman, also called AB, is the member of deck department and he must possess certificate of proficiency as AB. He is a watch standard as a day. He works as a day worker also or combination of these duties. As a watch standard duty, it includes, what all includes in watchkeeping? Correct. First is, he acts as a helmsman and also he keeps lookout when required. In port and anchor, he keeps security watches and gangway watches. And at anchor, he keeps anchor watch. He takes rounds of deck and ensures that all assistance required by the duty officer. Next is ordinary seaman. Normally is a person at entry level position in deck department. He assists officer on watch and AB. And mostly he performs upkeep duties like cleaning, chipping, painting. He normally works under bosun during day and assist AB and watchkeeping officer during the cargo watch. Next is trainee OS. Trainee OS is a rating school graduate. He performs variety of tasks under the supervision of ratings on board. Next, engine department. Main function is maintain the machinery and controls on board and carry out all repairs of the machinery. A typical engine room department will consist of chief engineer, second engineer, third engineer, fourth engineer, engine cadet, motorman, oiler, wiper, and also pumpman and electrical officer. The chief engineer is the official title given to someone qualified to oversee engine department. Chief engineer is responsible for all operations and maintenance of all the machinery on board. Chief engineer reports to the master, and chief engineer is also the technical advisor of the master. Next, the second engineer. The second engineer is responsible for supervising the daily maintenance and operation. He reports to the chief engineer. Second engineer also second in command of the engine department after chief engineer. Second engineer is usually a day worker from 0630 to 1830 hours, and he supervises all the work carried out by the motorman, wiper, oiler, electrical officer and pumpman. The third engineer. The third engineer is junior to the second engineer and senior to the fourth engineer. He is a watchkeeping officer. He keeps engine room watch between 12 to 6. That is 1200 to 0600 hours and 1200 hours to 1800 hours. He is usually in charge of equipments like boiler, fuel, auxiliary engines, condensate and feed systems. He is also in charge of bunkering. What is bunkering? Anybody? Correct. Bunkering is a operation in which transfer of fuel or bunkers takes place. What is bunkers? Correct. Fuel oil, diesel oil and lube oil used for the main engine and auxiliary engine are called bunkers. Third engineer also holds certificate for fuel oil transfer on board. Next is fourth engineer. Fourth engineer is junior to third engineer. He keeps watch, engine room watch between 6 to 12. That means 0600 hours to 1200 hours, 1800 hours to 2400 hours. And usually in charge of electrical, sewage treatment, lube oil, bilge and oil water separation systems. The fourth engineer also assists the third officer in the maintenance of the lifeboat engine and proper operation of the lifeboat. The next person in the engine room is the engine cadet, or sometimes also called fifth engineer or junior engineer. The engine cadet is normally a nautical school graduate. He comes on board to carry out mandatory 1-year training. He executes various tasks of officer of watch under the supervision of senior officers. Next, ratings. Among the ratings, the senior most unlicensed rating is motorman. Motorman assists in watchkeeping. He also assists the second engineer in the maintenance of the various machinery. Next is oiler. Oiler is junior to motorman and senior to wiper. He keeps machinery lubricated and also help in watchkeeping. Wiper. Wiper is the junior most crew member in the engine room. His role mainly consists of wiping down machinery and keeping it clean. Two other crew members on board engine department is electrical officer and pumpman. They work under second engineer. Electrical officer carries out maintenance of all the electrical equipment and circuit. Pumpman. Pumpman is normally found on oil tanker. Main purpose of pumpman is to maintain the cargo pumps. He also assists chief officer in loading and discharging of oil cargo. The third department is catering or steward department. Typically consists of chief steward, chief cook, second cook, and general steward. The catering department main purpose is to cater the catering activities on board. Chief steward is the senior unlicensed crew member working in the steward department. His main duty is to direct, instruct and assign personnel for serving, cooking, cleaning on board. He also plans menu and reports to the master on board. Chief cook. Next, chief cook. Chief cook is a person who has got license for cooking on board. Main duty of him is to prepare meals, inspect galley equipment for cleanliness, assist in inventory of stores and equipment, and he also assists chief steward as required. Next crew member in catering department is second cook. Second cook prepares meals, assists chief cook in cleaning the galley and maintaining it in good condition. Next is general steward. General steward serves meals. He also cleans officer quarters. He also washes linen, bedsheet, towels and issue it to all crew members and assists the galley department as required. I hope now you have understood the shipboard organization. Any doubts? Okay, I repeat once again. Shipboard organization consists of three categories: deck department, engine department, and catering department. And these are the complement of deck department. This is the complement of engine department. That is the complement of catering department. On board ship, everybody has got the specific roles and responsibilities. Together they run the ship smoothly, and everybody is responsible for the running of the ship. Thank you.